Okay, let's go to page 155 and start with number 2. Okay, you got 7x minus 2 times 5 plus 4x equal to 8. Okay, so first what you need to do is you need to go and distribute to undo the parentheses, the grouping symbols. Okay, so again, when you distribute, you just have to, multiply out. So negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Okay, and this times that. Negative 2 times 4x will give you minus 8x. Okay. Then after that, you need to combine the like terms. So you're going to get negative x minus 10 equal to 8. And so now you need to go and have variable on one side, number on the other side. So you need to move the number to the other side. So plus 10 on both sides. So you got negative x is equal to 18. Now, to solve the equation, you cannot have a negative in front. You need to have x by itself. So to get rid of the negative, you can either divide by negative 1 or multiply by negative 1. Okay, so if you divide by negative 1, it will cancel. So x will equal to negative 18. Okay, and this one they want you to graph. Okay, when you're doing the graphing, so whatever, you don't want to always start with 0. So whatever number you want to graph, so this is negative 18, and you just go negative 17, negative 19. As long as you have the same spacing and same increment, okay, and the number you can just graph, put a dot over here. Okay. Number 4. You have 4x plus 5 times 4 minus 5x equal to negative 22. Okay, let's go and do this. Okay, so again, first let's go and distribute to get rid of the parentheses. So distribute 5 times 4 is plus 20, and times that will be minus 25x equal to negative 22. And let's go and combine the like terms. Right, that's again, when you have a lot of terms, you need to combine the like term to simplify a little bit. So this will become negative 21x plus 20 equal to negative 22. Okay, now you have a number in variable, so I'm going to move the number to the other side because the variable is this side already. So minus 20 on both sides. So negative 21x is equal to negative 42. Again, same sign, you add the numbers together. Okay. And after that, divide both sides by negative 21. So x will equal to positive 2. And to graph that, again, you just put it to whatever number you're going to graph, you put in the middle. And just go one number on each side. That's enough. And just put a dot right over here. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you have 8x plus 6 equal to 2 times 7x plus 9. Okay, again, first let's go and distribute, multiply out to get rid of the parentheses. And again, try to line things up. That way you help you to cut down on the copying mistakes. So this time it will give you 14x. This time it will give you plus 18. Okay, so next I'm going to move the variable to one side and the number to the other side. Okay, so normally it's easier if you move the smaller one, but it doesn't matter either way. So I kind of like the variable on the left hand side. So that's going minus 14x on both sides. So this will cancel out. Okay, and I'm going to move this to this side, so minus 6 on both sides, so that this will cancel out. Okay, so this will become negative 6x equal to 12. Okay, divide both sides by negative 6, so x will equal to negative 2. So when you're doing the graphing, so again, whatever you're going to graph, you put in the middle, and you can just go one number on either side, and this will be over here. Okay. Okay, number 8. Okay, you have 10 minus 7x equal to 4 times 11 minus 6x. Okay, so same thing, just keep doing the same thing. So 4 times 11 is 44. 4 times negative 6 is minus 24x. I'm going to move the variable to this side, so plus 24x. so that this will cancel out, and I'm going to move the number to the other side, so minus 10, so that this number can cancel out. Okay, so this will give you 17x equal to 34. Divide both sides by 17, so x will equal to 2. And again, to graph that, it's going to be just like this one here. So it'll be 2, 3, and 1, and put a dot right over here. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, let's go ahead and put it done. Okay, so you got 4z minus 3 times 5z minus 14 equal to 5 times 7 plus z minus 9. Okay, so again, let's just go and use the distribution to get rid of parentheses. So you got 4z, so multiply, you get minus 15z. Get used to the x. And distribute, so negative times negative is positive, so equal to 42. Notice I put a slash right in the middle, that way I make sure that it's a z, not a 2. Okay, so this is the 2, this is the z. Okay, so multiply, so it will be 35 plus 5z minus 9. Okay, so again, you got a lot of stuff, so what you want to do is combine the like terms on each side. Okay, so focus on one half at a time. So combine the like terms. So this would be minus 11z plus 42. Okay, and this will equal to combine the like terms. So you got 5z plus 26. Okay, now I'm going to, okay, this is 42. Okay, so I'm going to move variable to this side, number to this side. Okay, so minus 5z on both sides, so that this will cancel out. And I move this to this side, so it'll be minus 42. So this will cancel out. So I get negative 16z, again, same sign, you add the number together. Okay, opposite sign, you have to subtract the number. Okay, so you're going to get 16, and it's going to be negative. Divide both sides by negative 16. So you got z equal to 1. And when you graph, so it'll be 1, 2, and 0, and put a dot right over here. Okay, and that's it. Okay, number 12. You got 7 times 2 minus 5x plus 27 equal to 18x minus 3 times 8 minus 4x. Okay, so you can distribute, so 14, this would be minus 35x plus 27 equal to 18x, distribute, so minus 24 plus 12x. Your next step is you're going to combine the like terms on each side. Okay, so this and this will become negative 35x plus 41 equal to, this one you can combine, so it'll be 30x minus 24. Okay, next I'm going to move this over, so minus 30x minus 30x, so that this will cancel out, and move this over to the other side. So minus 41 minus 41, so this will cancel out. So same sign you add, so it'll be minus 33x. Same sign you add, so minus 65. Something is not right. Let's hold on. Okay, let's double check. Okay, 14 minus 35. Something doesn't look right, so I'm double checking my steps. Oh, yeah, not minus 35, so this is minus 35. Okay, so I just write down 3. Oh, okay, there we go. See, that's why when you line things up, it's easy to catch the mistakes. Okay. So it'll be negative 65x. Okay, there we go. Okay, divide by negative 65, divide by negative 65. So x will equal to 1. Okay, and we don't have to graph anymore. You only require to graph 1 through 10. Okay, okay, let's go to number 14. Okay, you have 4 times 7z minus 9 minus 7 times 4z plus 3 equal to 6 times 9z minus 10. Okay, again, first multiply everything out, so it'll be 28z minus 36. I kind of like to use the arrow, help me to keep track. Minus 28z minus 21 equal to 54z minus 60. Okay, so again, you got a lot of stuff, so let's combine the like terms first. Okay, so this one and this one, oh, it's kind of nice, they cancel out. And notice I use a different shapes, right? So this one will give me negative, same sign you add, so 57 equal to 54z minus 60. Okay? Okay. Now since the variable is on this side already, you can save a lot of trouble, just go and move the number over. So let's plus 60 on both sides. Okay, so I get I get 3 equal to 54z. Divide by 54. Divide by 54. So this will cancel out. So z equal to, now this is divisible by 3, so divide by 3 you get 1 over 18. Okay. Okay, let's go to 16. Okay, so you got 5 times 3 minus 2k equal to 8 times 3k minus 4 times 1 plus 7k. Okay, so you can distribute, so it would be 15 minus 10k equal to 24k minus 32 minus 4 minus 28k. And then next, let's go and combine the like terms. This side does not have anything to combine, so just leave it. Okay, so this one you can combine this one, so you get minus 4k. And this one, same sign you add a number, so it'll be minus 36. Okay? Okay, next, let's go move the variable to one side and the number to the other side. So I'm going to move this over, so plus 4k. So this cancel out, and I'm going to move this over, so it'll be minus 15. So this will cancel out. Okay, so this will give me negative 6k equal to negative 51. Okay, divide by negative 6. So k equal to, now negative will cancel out, and this is divisible by 3. So divide by 3, you get 17. Divide by 3, you get 2. Okay. Okay, next one, let's go to number 18. Okay, and just okay, so you have 3 bracket 2 minus 4 times x minus 7, okay, equal to 26 minus ax. Okay, so when you have different type of grouping symbols, you have to undo the parentheses first. Okay, so keep everything the same, only do the parentheses part. So multiply, this will give minus 4x, multiply would be plus 28. And everything else you keep the same. Okay, don't do anything, you only can do one step at a time. Okay, your next step, okay, this one you have two choices. You can either combine the like terms or you can distribute first. Okay, let's just go and distribute. Okay, so this would be 6 minus 12x plus, okay, and after that, let's go and combine the like term to make things a little bit nicer. So negative 12x plus 90 equal to 26 minus 8x. Next step is go ahead and move variable to one side and the number to the other side. So I'm going to plus 8x on both sides so that this is gone. Right? I'm going to move this over, and I need to move this over to the other side. So minus 90 on both sides so that this will cancel out. So opposite sign, you have to subtract the number, so it would be negative 4x equal to, okay, so again, it's going to be 64 negative. Okay. Then after that, divide by negative 4 on both sides, so x will equal to 16. Okay. Okay, number 20. Okay, you got 6 times 3h minus 5 equal to 3 bracket 4 parentheses 1 minus h minus 7 bracket. So again, first we have to undo the parentheses. So let's go and do that. So 18h minus 30 equal to 3 bracket 4. So you have to multiply. So this would be 4 minus 4h minus 7 bracket. Okay. So next, let's go and undo the bracket. So 18h minus 30 equal to 12 minus 12h minus 21. Then after that, let's go and combine the like term because there are too many things over here. So this one and this one can combine. So it would be negative 12h minus 9. I kind of like to write the variable first before the number. Okay. So I'm going to need to plus. Okay, so plus 12h, so that this will cancel out. I'm going to move this over, so plus 30. So this will cancel out. So I get 30h equal to, this will give me 21. So divide by 30, divide by 30. So h will equal to, this is divisible by 3. So divide by 3, I get 7. Divide by 3, I get 10. Okay, let's go to 22. Okay, I have 4 times 2 minus 6x. Minus 6 equal to 8x plus bracket negative parentheses 3x minus 11 plus 20 bracket. Okay. Okay, so first let's go and undo the parentheses. So let's go and multiply. And 20 minus 24x and minus 6 equal to 8x plus. Okay, again, remember, doing only one step at a time, right? So only undo the parentheses only. Okay, so multiply, I get minus 3x plus 11 plus 20. Okay, and next, let's go and undo the bracket. Now, there's no number in front, that means it's 1. Okay. So I can just distribute, so everything will be the same, right? When you have 1 times whatever, it's going to be the same. It's not going to change. Okay? Okay, next, let's go and combine our like terms to simplify things a little bit. So I get minus 24x plus 2. Okay, on this side, I got lots of stuff. Okay, so this one and this one would be 5x. This one and this one would be getting a little bit too sloppy. Okay, so this give me plus 31. Okay, so now I'm going to move the variable to this side. So minus 5x. So this will cancel out. And I need to minus 2 on both sides. So this will cancel out. So I get negative 29x equal to 29. So divide both sides by negative 29. So x equal to negative 1. Okay, let's go to 24. Okay, so we got 14 minus 2 parentheses 7 minus 4x parentheses minus 4x equal to ax minus 3. This one has a lot of stuff. Okay, you got bracket, then you got 2x minus parentheses 5 minus x parentheses minus 30, then bracket. Okay. Okay, so again, first let's go and distribute. So you got 14. I'm going to shift that bit over because I'm running out of room on this side. So be minus 14 plus ax minus 4x equal to ax minus 3, 2x. Okay, so distribute this would be minus 5 plus x minus 30. Okay. Next thing, so again, let's go and undo the bracket next. Okay, so distribute would be minus 6x plus 15 minus 3x plus 90. Okay, so now let's go and combine the like terms. Again, you'll focus on one side at a time. So this one and this one cancel out, so that's kind of nice. This and this. So opposite sign you subtract would be 4x. Okay, so it's not too bad. Now this side, okay, a lot of stuff. So you got ax minus 6x minus 3x. So this would be 2x minus 3x would be minus 1x. Okay, and the numbers would be plus 105. Okay. Okay. Next, I'm going to move the variable to one side to the other side, so plus x on both sides. So be 5x equal to 105. Then divide by 5 on both sides, so x equal to 21, and so that's it. Okay? Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 26. So we have negative 3 braces 10 minus bracket 7 minus 5 parentheses 4 minus x minus 8 bracket braces equal to 11 minus bracket minus parentheses 5x minus 4 parentheses bracket. Okay. Again, make sure you just follow the steps. So first step, go ahead and get rid of the parentheses. So copy everything the same, except for the parentheses part. So this one distribute minus 20. This become plus 5x. Okay, that's going to do the parentheses. So minus 5x plus 4. Okay. And next one, I'm going to do the bracket. Okay, so again, you multiply by the number in front, and there's no number means it's 1. So you got negative 1 times, so this is So it multiplies, so negative 1 times 7 is minus 7. This times that will give it. So you want to use your finger also to help you. So this will become plus 20. This one would be minus 5x. And this one would be plus 8. Okay, so this one, again, you want to distribute. So this one distribute would be plus 5x. And this one would be minus 4. X. Okay, there you go. Okay, now we're going to do the braces, okay? The braces. So again, you're just going to distribute. Now, again, you can simplify first, or you can distribute, doesn't matter. Most of the people probably easy, just go and distribute. Okay, so that's going to do that. So minus 30 plus 21 minus 60 plus 15x minus 24 equal to 11 plus 5x minus 4. Okay, now let's go and combine the like terms. Okay. So again, get your numbers. All this, you can use your calculator to work it out. So let's go and get a calculator. So you got negative 30 plus 21 minus 60 minus 24. Okay, so you got 15x minus 93. Okay, this one you can just combine. So you got 5x plus 7. Okay. So now I'm going to move variable over. So minus 5x on both sides. So that this will cancel out. And I'm going to move this over. So plus 93 on both sides. So that this will cancel out. So I got 10x equal to 100. And divide both sides by 10. So x equal to 10.